In this video guide, I'll provide you with detailed instructions on how to remove the adware, which is called OpticalTransaction. OpticalTransaction is a rogue application that we found while researching new submissions to the VirusTotal database. We installed this piece of software on our test computer and found out that it operates as adware. Furthermore, OpticalTransaction belongs to the adload malware family of infections. This particular family right now attacks Mac computers, and it specifically injects itself into Safari browser in Mac computers, even though other browsers may also be infected by this adware, or at least other browsers may also experience some negative side effects related to this OpticalTransaction adware. Adware stands for Advertising Supported Software, so it displays advertisements on visited sites and through other interfaces. These ads may also promote online scams, unreliable or even harmful websites and software, and sometimes even malware. Some intrusive adverts can even make stealthy downloads or installation upon being clicked. Furthermore, this OpticalTransaction adware in some cases is able to redirect your search queries through random websites. In other words, it functions as a browser hijacker. Anyway, if you have discovered this program to be the part of your computer, the only correct conclusion is to get rid of it. Access your Finder, check your applications. Once you find this OpticalTransaction application as active, right-click on it, move it to the trash. And of course, if you see any other suspicious items here, don't hesitate to remove them too. In order to make sure that your system is free of any other possibly hidden infections, I would strongly advise that you research it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. Click on Start Combo Scan button. After you download it for the first time, of course, the program should be in the trial mode. In my case, as you see, it's a premium mode, but even the trial mode is really helpful. There are certain free features you can enjoy at no cost. These free features are disk cleaner on big files and duplicates. So then the scanning will begin, and at the end of some time, Combo Cleaner Antivirus will give you the whole summary of the threats which were revealed on your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, pop-ups, unwanted browser extensions, and even malware. So at the end of the scan, there will be the summary of infections. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computers always free of any malware and to keep your data always protected.